What is up, YouTube fam? I'm so glad to have you back here. I'm back with you today with another video. This video today is actually like a follow up to the last video I had with the DIY business credit cards. This one is actually for those of you who basically either purchased some of the cards I had. I mean, some of the DIY credit cards that I have up on Etsy, which I also have the link listed below if you weren't aware of it. For those who of you who have purchased the DIY business credit cards, this is just to show you exactly how to go about editing those cards. So over here, I'm going to be using software called Cordial, Corjl, Cordial. And basically, once you've made a purchase, once you've made a so basically you get an email like this saying edit your item from Peach Thursdays. Let me see if I can open it up a little more so you get a better idea of what it says in the email itself. Okay, thank you for your order with Peach Thursdays. Click the link below to edit your item. So once you click the link, once you click the edit your item button, you're gonna be brought to this page right here, which is loading. You basically would need to have an account to be able to make any changes. It's a free account, but no cost to you. So here, this is the page you would get to log into your Cordial account or sign up for a Cordial account. So I already have an account, but if you don't, you can go ahead and just put your email address here and create a password. Let me see. Actually, you'd hit it. I think you would hit sign up. Let me see. Yeah, so sign up for a Cordial account if you don't have an account already. Okay. Register for your new Cordial account. So I'm gonna make a new. Actually, I'm gonna put in what I have. So if you don't have it already, just go ahead and create one. But if you already have it, I'm gonna go to already have. I already have an account, so I'm gonna go put my credentials in, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so once you've put your information in, you hit open order. It's gonna go ahead and open the order, which is open the card. Oh wait, hold on. Open order. Honestly, I couldn't remember my password, and I didn't have time to actually reset it, so I had to just use a different email address to get in. So once you get in, basically, this is the page you'll see. You can go ahead and make all the changes you need to make. Like for example, you could change. You can go ahead and change of course, the business name. Oh, you can change the business name. You can change the numbers here. Edit the numbers. Yes. So in order to change the business name, you just click in between in this area over here. As for right now, I'm going to shrink this down. Okay, and then go ahead and click on the business name. Okay. For now, showing Peach. You can change it from here, this box right here, which is probably the easiest. Or you could change it from in here also. So, change it to. This is just a fictitious name. This is not actual business name that I use. So, just give an example. Oh, actually, this says Lash. here, which is Thursdays, I'm going to change it to Queen. And you could change the font color. You could do a lot. A lot of different changes with this. Very flexible. There we go, Lash Queen. And I'm going to join these two a little closer together. Looks a little more neat. And probably make this a little bigger as well. Yep, like that. Okay. And here, let's see. Here you can change the numbers to whatever you want. I'm going to leave it like this. You can make it bigger if you want. If it's too small for you, you can make it a little bigger like this. Here I'm going to change. Oh, okay, actually, I'm going to change. I'm going to move this up a little bit because it's in the way. And I'm going to update the website. Okay, go change it to lashqueen.com. This is just for you guys to see that these are all editable. Excuse me. These are all edible. You could change it to whatever you like. You could remove it. Don't have to include it. And over here, down here, you could change the color of the circles if you want. You can get rid of them if you want. You could change this. You could change the date on this, the valid through date. Change this down here. You could do whatever you want. And on the second page, so there's a second page. This is the front of the card. Actually, let me enlarge this again so it could look like the way it did before. And you have access to this for as long as you have your account. You can always come back here and do whatever you want with it. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, I like Canva too. Canva's pretty awesome also. But this just seemed to fit. This seemed to work better for me. So that's why I decided to use this. To use Cordial. So let's go over to the second page or the back of the card. Gonna let it load over here. And yeah, here we go. This is the back. These are all edible. You could change anything you want on here also. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to download them and if you want to order these, you can order them through Vistaprint, which is what I use. None of these companies are paying me. This is not a promotion or anything. These are all companies that I just like using. So I'm gonna save the changes here. Like I said, you have access to this for as long as you have your account. So you can always come back, return or whatever. And okay, so you're gonna go to download. Once you made all the changes you need to make. I would like to download a PDF. You can download it as a PDF. You can download it as a PNG, I believe, and a JPG. So I recommend PNG. That's the best format. And you get to download them individually, which is best also. Download PNG. Okay, so I think they have been downloaded. So now I'm going to go to Vistaprint. Okay. They're still downloading it. Okay, this is almost done, I think. Okay, so once you go to Vistaprint, you can close these out. If you go to Vistaprint.com, you're gonna go to business cards up here. Because what you're trying to print are business cards. Okay, so I think they have been downloaded. So now I'm gonna go to Vistaprint. Okay. They're still downloading it. Oh, okay, this is almost done, I think. Okay, so once you go to Vistaprint, close these out. If you go to Vistaprint.com, you're gonna go to business cards up here. That's what you're trying to print are business cards. Once you go to business cards, you're gonna go to see all business. Actually, see all business cards. And then from there, you should be able to upload your own designs, which is what we're looking for. Like I said earlier, this video is not in any way sponsored by any of these companies. These are just what I've been using. I just thought they were pretty awesome, so I'm like, why not share it with you guys? So I'm gonna go to here we go. Upload your design. We're gonna click on that. Once you hit upload your design, you have to choose if you want it vertical or horizontal. I go with horizontal, and then select horizontal standard. That's what I meant to say. All right, over here, gonna hit images, upload logo or image. And now we can upload. Hit upload your design. I'm gonna find those two PNGs I saved earlier. Over to my downloads folder. Which is where they would go once you download them, if you're not familiar with that process and all. I found it, so this is what we're looking for. This is the one we did today. So let's see if I can upload it. So what I did was actually I dragged the PNG into this box right here, and was able to upload it that way. I was having issues uploading it the other way. So here it is. This is the one we uploaded. So believe now you can hit on next. See what happens. Actually, let's go back. I'm not sure. Let me delete this. There's a duplicate. Okay. Okay, you can adjust it to however you want it to show in here. It's really up to you how you want it to look. This part is actually the easiest part of this whole process. I think this is fine like this. Can get a little tricky. As long as you're in the safe area, honestly, you should be fine. So as far as the back goes, you can go ahead, hit it on the back over here, and upload it and do the same thing. Once you've done that, you would hit next. And you go ahead and review. This is how you want it to look. You're gonna hit yes, everything looks great. I reviewed and approved. So you're gonna hit that. Actually, let's go back one more time. I'll check something. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you're gonna hit next. Yes, I approve. Everything looks great. I reviewed and approved. Yes, everything looks great. I reviewed and approved. Hit continue. Okay, so here you're gonna choose you want it to be a traditional business card paper or higher quality specially stocked, which is $7 more. So it's up to you. I'm gonna stick to that, the first one. And then the next step, this is step 1. Let's go down. Okay, now this is step 2. You're gonna choose if you want it to be matte or glossy. I prefer glossy, so you can hit glossy. And then let's see, this is next part. Last step, step 4, you're going to choose if you want it to be standard or rounded. Rounded is the best because that's when that's how you get the credit card, the business credit card look that you're looking for. But if you want to keep it as standard, that's fine too. And then once you've selected that, you just hit add to cart. And also down here, you could choose the quantity of how many you want also. So for 100 cards, you'd pay 22. That's just before shipping and taxes and everything. Add to cart and you're done. Just like that, guys. Template, because I wanted to show you that if you wanted to, let's say you made a mistake and you wanted to go back to the original, you would go over here and hit revert to original. It will take you back to how it looked when you first purchased the template. I think you're already aware of the save changes over here, and then here would be where you go to download. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but you can also change the background. So just click on the background basically, and then you can upload whatever you want to the background also. So guys, that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't make it too long for you. This is definitely a perfect option for those who are pressed for time and need like a fast business card design right away. This is for you. This is what I had for you guys for today. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I did include a link in the description below, in the description box below, for those who are looking to purchase either this template or the many other designs I have in my Etsy shop. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please don't forget to comment. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to include it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Have a good one.